Hello, hello, it's Amy and I'm back with a new video. I'm so excited. I want to thank everybody who has come to my channel and subscribed recently. I've made it to 500 subscribers for this channel, Amy's Mix of Creativity, and I'm so excited. I'm over that now, and I actually am over 500 subscribers, so it's so great because it just keeps growing. So I want to thank people by doing something I've never done before, and that's giving a giveaway. Okay, so we'll see how this goes. Hopefully it'll work out, and then I can try to do it again in the future. So first of all, though, what I'll tell you is that I'm going to look through these books, and while I'm explaining while I'm flipping through the books, I'll explain what the giveaway is and how you can get some of the items that I have and that that I want to share with everybody or share with the people that get on the page and actually subscribe and become part of my family on this channel. Okay, so first of all, let me show you the books that I have. So a big part of my I guess what I do with this channel is paper crafting, reviews and flip throughs of different types of things, such as paper pads, journaling books, sticker books, things like that. Okay, so if you're new here, check out my other videos. I have plenty of them that have a variety of different things that I go through. I'm sorry. Let me get this started, okay? First of all, this has been a while since I've been doing a video because I've just been so busy with life. But let me start with this book, and I'll explain a little bit, just because I want to let everybody understand why it took me a while to get back doing videos. But first, let me just say, this is Drawn to Bloom, Craftsmith. It's from Michaels. Hopefully they still have them there. It's a special edition because it has some foiling on it. I think that's what makes it a special edition. 48 sheets. So I took out the duplicates. Okay, there's in this one there's two pages per sheet. Okay, so you get two if you were to buy this. Now I will at the end explain that how you can get some of these beautiful pages. Look at that I hope you can see with the gold foil. It's just incredible. Okay, here's another one with gold foil. Here's a plain one, but it's still really pretty with it's kind of like tone on tone, but you can see there's a variety of flowers on there. Cute little blue flowers. Oh, that page came undone. Hope I'm still in frame. There we go. This one's just like a interesting pattern. Some flowers. I'm not going to explain every page just because I want to get through both of the flip throughs. Plus, I have a bonus surprise at the end that I want to get through too. So I'm just going to go through these. These are mainly green tones. It's really pretty flowery types of designs. Plus they have here's a gingham, green gingham. Here's another foil page. Oh, so pretty. Oh, cute little yellow. I don't know what are those roses? I don't know. I don't know my flowers very well, unfortunately. I know some, but not many. But look, this has foiling in the background. Very pretty too. So you got, some good background sheets interspersed with some really, really ornate and pretty flowery and foiled sheets of paper. So what I like to do is share finds that I have come across, and now I've decided, because I've have so many subscribers now, I'd like to also share, maybe, you know, do some giveaways, try to do them, you know, once in a while. So this is a pretty page with some cut aparts, toppers for, and labels for cards and crafting, for different types of crafting. Okay, so that's me, Drawn to Bloom. Okay, and this next one is from the Paper Studio, which is a Hobby Lobby company, and this is just called Beach, which is pretty self-explanatory, but it's summer as of, I think like this week it's summer. The summer actually officially begins, so I'm excited about that. We have a lot going on. Part of the reason I've been so busy is because my son graduated from college, and he's home and he's keeping me quite busy. We have a lot going on. So look how cute these turtles are on this page with the seahorses and some pink fish. Oh, so cute. Again, okay, this paper pad has 3 designs per sheet. Here's some cute starfish and a pretty ocean kind of scene. Multicolored fish, so it looks like kind of like psychedelic. Seaweed. So yeah, so my son is going to graduate school, so we have to prepare for that. We have a lot of different trips we're going on, things we're doing with our family, going to visit family in other parts of the country. Yeah, I can't believe I can say that, but yeah, we're gonna go south and we're gonna go north, so we're gonna have some exciting trips, and maybe at, you know, one point I'll be able to talk about it a little more, but I don't want that I don't want to talk about it until it happens. But I will be away for, you know, I'll be busy and doing a lot in the next couple months. So what I'm gonna try to do, pretty colors with this giveaway is, so this is, you know, stick to the end so that you can hear all of the goodies that I'm thinking that I'm gonna, you know, have be part of the giveaway. So these pages, the Beach paper pad and the Drawn to Bloom paper pad that I just showed with the flowers, those are going to be some, I'm going to cut up the pages and give them to people that were interested. Okay, here's a cool octopus scene. So there's some really beautiful colors in this pad with the beach theme. Okay, so every one of those pages will be cut up into 6x6. Okay, and I will provide to people that stay to the end of this video and hear what the, you know, qualifications to get these type of things. So to get some papers from these paper pads, I will explain that in a few minutes. But first, I want to show, I have a bonus pick that I want to share with you. So I got this. This is a journal kit, junk journal kit from Michaels. Oh, sorry about the glare. So it's in a cute little package. You might have seen these before in the Michaels. They're pretty new. It came out recently, and I didn't put this in the beginning because I wanted this to be a special, you know, surprise that I'm planning to give some of the items in this journal kit away for part of the giveaway. So I really think it's adorable. It's very pretty. It's not, you know, I'm not sure what I would be able to use it for. So anyone who is interested in journaling might love this. And I'm not going to give the kit as is. I'm going to take out parts, but I think it will include, I'm pretty sure I'll include this notepad, which has got a lot of pages. It's dotted, so that's cool. You know, you get a special dotted notepad. And there's also pages here, which I will add in one of each of the pages. Some butterflies. Well, it's all butterfly. So if you really like butterflies, this would be a great thing to have. I'm going to give one of each of these sheets. So they're really pretty for junk journaling, art journaling, doing any kind of paper crafting. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that rose. Yeah, I like that. So yeah, so you can use them in any, you know, all kinds of various ways. Look at this. And this journal kit comes with die cuts and stickers and even some washi tape. So here's some washi tape. Okay, cute little designs. There's little pockets. You can put tags in, or any kind of, like, you know, die cuts or any kind of designs in there. Here are the various stickers. Some other pages that come apart. Very cute. And another package. Just take these out. I'm sorry about the glare. See the glare on the page, but these are die cuts that can be taken right out of there. So what I plan to do for the giveaway is I'm going to offer, if you are a subscriber and to my channel, if you are subscribed and you like this video, you can put in the comments that you are that you're interested in participating, and that what I would like you to say in the comments is whether you want to get junk journaling butterfly items from this kit. I'm going to separate it out, and I'll put as much as I can into a packet and have it mailed out. You don't have to include your address in the comments. Please don't do that. I don't want anybody to do that. If you are a subscriber, I should be able to reach out to you. If I can't reach out to you, I will write in the comments that you need to contact me through direct messaging. But otherwise, what the giveaway will be is that you'll get some junk journaling items along with the junk journaling and the actual junk journal. Okay, I think this is really sweet and adorable. Here's the back, very cute, but I have so many journals that I just don't have a chance to use this, and I want to give it a good home. Okay, so if you want to participate in this, but you are not interested in this item, you don't want to get junk journaling items that are butterflies, I will, like I said, cut up the other two paper pads. Okay, here I show them again. Drawn to Bloom, which is flowers, and the beach one. Okay, if you would like one of these instead, then tell me that you would like either flowers or beach. Okay, that way I'll have an idea what to send. It will be about the same amount of packets because there's not as much paper with the journaling kit as with these. But what I'm going to try to do is pick 3 different people that want these 3 different things. So hopefully that will work out. One can be flowers, one can be beach, and one can be butterflies. So in the comments, all you need to say is what you would prefer. You could also let me know how you know, how you use them for paper crafting. If you're a journaler, if you like to do junk journaling, art journaling, what kind of journaling you like, or if you like mainly doing scrapbooking or card making or whatever. The reason I would like that also is because I'm curious what people are on the channel are most interested in. I love, you know, sharing with all these items and everything, but sometimes I'm not sure if I'm, you know, doing exactly what people on the channel would like the most. So if that makes any sense. So if you could, so what I would like you to say in the comments, if you're a subscriber and you like the video, I will get in touch with you if you let me know if you want beach, flowers, or butterflies, and how you're going to use them. If you're mainly going to use them for journaling, scrapbooking, or card making, or something else. You can say something else. But this is just my way of getting to know my, you know, my subscribers more. I'd like to find out more about you guys. I talk about myself, and I know sometimes I like can go on, and I don't mean to, you know, like I just like to share. And, you know, like I said, I've been so busy that I haven't had a chance to talk much or be on this channel, and I'm gonna try to do that more. And for me to do more videos, I'd like to know how people on the channel paper craft. Okay, what is your favorite type of crafting? What do you like? So again, if you want to participate and get something from these great items, the paper pads or the journaling kit, please enter by giving me that information in the comments after you subscribe. If you haven't subscribed already, you need to subscribe so that you can participate. Okay, great. I can't wait for this all to work out, and it will be a couple weeks though before I can get everything out because of logistics and everything. So bear with me and be patient, but I will let people know, you know, when it's completed. Probably a couple weeks from now, 2 or 3 weeks. So just make sure you understand that you won't be able to get everything right away. You won't be able to get what you are chosen to get right away. Okay, sounds good. All right, thanks everybody, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, check out the rest of the videos on my channel, and hope you get some great paper crafting items. Bye now.